Yes, wonderful people. I just want to say thank you so much for the love and the support in 2019, and I wish you all a happy holiday and a wonderful 2020, full of joy and prosperity, health and strength. Love conquer all, yeah? Gentlemen and sister. Oop.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable,
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, it's time for another video. And yes, it's about Spice again. Because guess what? We show on the Spice and I dance at them, you know, exchanging gifts. But this time, it's family time. You know, mommy and the kids and yes. So what you know? So people, Spice receive, you know what, me not even go tell you no. But all me know say is Spice love that gift where she get. Check it out.
What is it? What is it? What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what is it? I love it! I'm gonna put it on my balcony. So cute! Come mama, your turn, mama. Come mama, come mama.
You know, so Mrs. Spice tear it open, I say, yo, me like that too. Me need to put something like that for my front porch. You see what I say? But yeah, alright, so Spice say, alright, come mommy a year time, people. Spice get mommy a whole suitcase of clothes for Christmas. A good little gift that. Well, then again, you have to remember, you know, me not think Spice mother want and need and nothing. And so as you hear Spice say, yo, Spice say, mommy love figure at church. So this is the best kind of gift for you. Check it out.
Merry Christmas. Open it. Yes. Open it. Open it. I bought your suitcase of dresses. Oh, last and you have lots more.
And mommy love I give them to, you know, we can see it. You know, see that nice big hug there at the end. Yo, more want a hug too. No, give me a hug. Yo, Jado star. But anyway, it's time now for we check out the kids' gifts to Spice and the gifts them from Spice to the kids. Yes, I say, yo, the gift giving season feels so nice. Yo, I should have shown when time I open my gift them too. And when time my kids them I open for them gift. Yo, make you check out that video, yeah, man.
I'm going to take up one for toy, and then one for the camera. And then we go back together. Right? Alright, let's go. Alright, ready? Merry Christmas, Nicholas! Merry Christmas, Tata! Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you, son. Give me kisses. Kisses, Nicholas. Then we go play together. Ready? Ready, go. One toy. So one for Nicholas, one for Tata. I want to Nicholas. Get your face. I think I like to open my box. You know what's in here? You know what's in here? Oh, I see books. That's sweat. Thank you, Ty. Mommy, show them my daughter bought me Kit Kat, so it's my favorite. Thank you. You like that? Thank you. Say hello, Jamal. Come on, today, your time. I have a kiss for you. Where? I can't see that nose. Merry Christmas! Not this one. Merry Christmas! That's not this one. Merry Christmas! Let's open it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my God.
Trust me, there is nothing like spending time with family and friends at Christmas time. Me I tell you no. Wanna see the joy and happiness in the house that day there while they gives them an open January style. More wanna tell me in the comment section too if you had that kind of Christmas day or not. Me still want to hear. Yes, what I say. And as I want to fact, me get a little bit inquisitive too. What kind of gift you get for Christmas? Did you get any gifts for Christmas? What you want for Christmas? Although it done gone. Yes, what I say. Maybe Santa will still hear you and grant your wish. Alright? Touch me down in the comment section. If your comment makes sense, then I will definitely respond. If not, then I just go stroll past it and ignore it. Alright? At least me I be honest. What I want, me not go stick and stay upon this too long. I don't do this garbage. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV, and I'm out.
Anyway, so in my other life as a financial advisor, and people ask me these things all the time, so I'm going to address some of them. It's about how to ensure, say, like January morning, you know, you're not broke and balling, because me and you know, so January is actually 3 months long. So there's a few saving tips and things that you can do for trying, you know. Might be a little late now. I hope that some of these actually help you. Now, when it comes to like saving and surviving December, going into January, making sure that January isn't like the age of smog in terms of your finances. Right now, first up, right off the bat, the good thing is Christmas is the same time every year. Every year it's December 25th. It's not gonna sneak up on you like the 3rd of November, just like, boo, hey, I'm here. No. So what you can do is always plan ahead. So for next year, that's one of the things you're gonna need to do. Plan ahead, all right? Sit down. I hope you budget otherwise, but if you don't budget otherwise, start now. But especially for Christmas, sit down and write a Christmas budget. Decide who you're gonna be buying stuff for and how much you're gonna be spending on it. All right? And put some caps on all of them something. I know it's the most wonderful time. Yeah. But it's not gonna be wonderful if you spend off all of your money and you're dead for hungry by the 3rd of January. So decide who you're spending on how much you're spending, etc. Do your budget. And when you do that budget, ensure that you stick to it. Okay, that's one of the first thing, planning ahead. Now, in terms of like gifts, listen to me, especially like parents, you need to talk to your kids about finances and so forth and get them headspace right about it, and you have to match their expectations from earlier. This is me I say. I know everybody will get a whole heap of stuff. Them just have to understand say, so you go sometimes. So you speak to your children about finances and them things from early. And do not be ashamed to go and buy some of that shit second hand. Them want a PS3 and you can find a good one where clean and everything, go ahead and buy it. You can do that. And also what you can do in planning ahead, what you get to do is you get to purchase gifts from early. So when you see like the little this sale and that sale and so forth, you know what you want, buy it. And if your people are patient and will wait until January, you give them an IOU and say, IOU till January, and you know the post-Christmas sale, then you can pick up what you want and you probably pick it up at a fraction of the price. Them ways that you can do, right? Now, a thing we love to do in Christmas is pay for convenience. You know, you're there at Christmas and, oh, you don't want this, you know, let's grab pizza for dinner and Ray and deliver this and pay some so forget that. Nah, as much as you can, stick to doing a lot of these things yourselves because the convenience costs add up. Now, the self-gifting. I know you've done well this year and you worked hard and you deserve all the kudos and so forth, but sometimes you go overboard with the self-gifting. Yeah, you can buy yourself a little nice something and say, yeah, Ray, but every second you have to go, oh, this is for me, this is for me, this is for me. And no, and it add up and it add up and it add up. And it add up. And then we have a tendency to indulge in things that we normally wouldn't on a daily basis or so forth during the Christmas. And some of we not really get Christmas bonus on like, so we have extra money. Alright, so remember that and meds that, alright? So the self-gifting, hold back on it a little bit. And as much as you can, avoid a lot of the stores and them something there now. Stores are expert at getting your money out of your pocket. So is online and so forth, you know. All of us, our stores are online, and you see sale and you think the sale means say yeah, save $1,000 when in actuality you spend $2,000 because your name plan for buy it or something anyway. So, and that goes back to sticking to your budget and ensuring that you stick to your budget and so avoid them, you know, and them thing there. And another thing, I could give more, but one of my final things I'm going to tell you is this, alright? A lot of persons have already gotten paid. Today's what, the 17th of December? Well, people get paid. We know people get paid last week, Friday. Your bills have not changed this month. If you have them, the mortgage still have to pay, the rent still have to pay, the light, the water, the etc., the phone bill. A lot of people, because you get the money right in the middle of the month and it's not close to the end of the month where most things are due. It's like you forget, so them have to get paid. And you're going to slap with the money and your braff and whatever, and you're not getting your next paycheck on December 25th, 6th, 7th, whatever, you know. So one of the things we can do is as you get the money, I hope you're not done it off already, pay the bills. You know the standing bills, you know the one them. Send over the little mortgage money, send over the little rent money, send over the little lease money, whatever it is. Put aside the little phone bill money. You might even want to tap it up a little bit because you might make a little extra car, little water, the light, them, something there. Pay them. I know, trust me hate to see money, so leave my account, so, but do it, alright? So that we at least have a clearer and realer idea of how much money you have working with for the rest of the season. Alright guys, enjoy the Christmas, but in the middle of it, remember, say, the reason for the season is shopping! I'm kidding, alright? But you don't know, show some love in the Christmas here, and yo, I hope you get to spend some time with the family and the people that you care about, and have a good time. And you know, 2020 is around the corner. We'll see you in 2020. Have a good and safe Christmas. Big up on yourself, alright? Don't mash up on the wallet, alright?
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.